So I've got my laser cut wooden air raid siren here, pretty much ready to go. But before I assemble the gearbox and install it, I want to do a quick test to make sure the siren actually works, because it'd be a shame to do all the gearbox work only to have the siren not work in the first place. Yeah. This little guy here loves sirens, so I thought he would really get a kick out of this. I've got it taped right here to the shaft temporarily to give it a test, and hopefully the Dremel's got enough torque to make this thing go. All right, Alex, start it up real slow. Other way. There you go. Real slow. A little more. A little more. Take it up to number 2 there.
Ready?
All right, go up slow to 3. Not too fast. How about that? Okay, you can go a little faster. Vary a little bit. There you go. A little more. About that. All right, a little more. Take it up to 4. All right, and down. And off. Well, that actually worked. I guess I'll go ahead now and make the gearbox and get that installed. So I'll keep you updated.
Let's go again.
Let's go again. Okay, go.